Welcome muli sa lahat pa rin na sumusuporta at patuloy na nanonood sa Liga ng mga Kabataan dito sa San Pablo. We are down to the day 2 of the season 3 of our league. 14 under naman tayo ngayon. Kahapon naganap yung first 2 games for our season 3. Kaya naman kung hindi nyo siya napanood at kung hindi nyo pa nalalaman kung sino ba yung mga batang talaga nagpakitang gilas at nakita natin yung improvement no, sa laro nila kahapon, pwede nyo balikan yung mga live videos nila through our Facebook page. Kaya i-follow nyo na to at i-share nyo na rin ang ating live as a support to our players. And of course, mag-comment na rin kayo kung sino ba sa mga malalaro natin at kung kanino bang team ang sinusuportahan nyo sa laro nila ngayon. By the way, nandito kami ngayon sa Bagong Bayan, San Pablo City. Kaya kung gusto nyo pong manood through live, hindi lang sa live stream, pwede na kayong pumunta dito. But yun nga, if you are on the go, you can still watch through our live. By the way, I am Diana, one of your courtside reporters for today.
And I am Shara Gutierrez, also your courtside reporter, I think for the rest of the season. And with that, ano nga ba yung mga teams na abangan natin na maglalaban or magkakaroon ng game for today? We have for our first game, we have the LBDL versus Lucas basketball team. Next, we have the Pinsanity basketball team versus the SCBA project. And then next game, we have bagong team to na abangan din ng ating mga manonood. We have the Batang Gatin versus Batang 2B. Then next, we have the Barako Boys versus the Caramblers basketball team. Next, we have SCBA Elite versus the Genesis basketball team. Mga nagbabalik din ng mga teams and we are familiar din sa mga coaches nila. And last but not the least, the game between the RB Superior versus the Next Level Warriors. Tunghayan natin kung paano ilalaban ng mga kabataang malalaro nito ang win or victory through the defenses, the steals, the rebounds, and also securing a point sa bawat basket that they have. And with that, hindi na natin patatagal ito, let the game begin.
Isang magandang umaga sa ating all live viewers. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa Barangay Bagong Bayan. And this is the first game of the day, Lucas Basketball versus LBDL. Sumagay, may hawak ng bola. For two, no basket. Number 25 to Gaspay. Gaspay again. Easy basket by number 25, Gaspay. The Gaspy for three. No good. Rebound by number 27. And there's Casbadillo. Pass to Sumageo. Sumageo to Casbadillo for two. No good. Here's Candelario. Candelario. To Procto, no basket. Sumageo nagmamadali. Full up for two, no good. But here's Casbadillo, no basket again. Atanasio secured the rebound. Candelario dribbling the ball. Pass to Ligaspi, mabibitawan out of bounds. Caspadillo, may hawak ng bola. Double dribbling violation. Again, good morning sa lahat ng ating viewers dito sa San Pablo City Basketball page. At shout out sa ating LBDL team owner na si Boss Glenn Chavez. Sa mga LBDL coaches, shout out po sa inyo. At kay Chairwoman Marcel Beres of JYBC or Jeddah Youth Ballers Club. Shout out din sa coaches and parents of Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Isang magandang umaga po sa inyo. Caspadillo, still the pass. At number 10, matatawagan dito ng blocking foul. At nandito na rin pala si Palaruan. Sa kupunan ng Lucas, ang mga nadagdag, Gaspay and Palaruan. Here's Sumagiw. To number 27, Poblete. 3 seconds violation by Caspadillo. Ball possession to LBDL. Candelario receive the ball. Pass to Procto. Here's Procto. Atake for 2. No basket. Save by Atanasio. Makakakuha dito si Cordero. Cordero for 2. No basket. Gaspay secured the rebound. At mabibitawan ng bola dito. Same ball possession. We have 7 minutes and 3 seconds. In this first quarter, ang ating score 0-3 in favor of Lucas. At di pa nakaka-score dito. Pupunan ng LBDL. Ligaspi for 3. No basket. Gaspay secured the ball. Pass to Sumagiw. Ligaspi for the layup. At nakanakaw play doon. Sa pag-steal ng pasa. Long pass. Out of bounds. Ball possession to Lucas Basketball. 17 seconds on the shot clock. Sumagiw for the inbound. Ipapasa sana dito kay number 27 pero Cordero makakakuha. Here's Ligaspi dribbling the ball. Ligaspi to Procto. Palaruan may hawak ng bola. Palaruan for the long pass. Pero matatabik ni Procto ang bola palabas. Same ball possession. $15 seconds on the shot clock. Sumagiw may hawak ng bola. Pass to number 27 for 2. No basket. Sumagiw makakakuha. Ibibigay kay Gaspay. Ang gandang pasa nun kaso hindi papasok ang bola. Number 26, Procto may hawak ng bola. Long pass to Ligaspi for the left-handed. No basket. Sumagiw to Palaruan. Pass to number 27. Pull up for 2. No good, but here's Caspadillo. 2 points ang ating score. All 4. We have 5 minutes and 25 seconds. Candelario to Ligaspi. Pull up for 3. 3 points para kay Ligaspi. Palaruan. Atake for 2. No basket. Sumagiw for 2. Wala pa din. But there's Gaspay. Gaspay, no basket. But fouled by number 10, Cordero.
Just number 10, second personal foul. Second team foul.
Gaspay, first throw, no basket. And this is the first free throw of our first game. Second throw. Basket.
Substitution.
At kaspay papaltan dito ni Manabat. Catelo may hawak ng bola. Ibibigay dito. Kay Empelo. Obido pala, Obido. Time out. Para sa koponan ng Luas Basketball.
Remaining time is 4 minutes and 14 seconds. Official score 7-5 in favor of LBDL.
Here's number 2. Pass to Manabat. Manabat to Palaruan. Palaruan. Back to number 2. Here's Caspadillo for 3. No basket. Follow-up shot by number 6. Coronado.
Penfoot. Albaez pa na ngayon ang group. Talagang. Wala.
Manabat for the rebound. For 2. No basket. Rebound by Alvarez. There's a foul.
Basket number 12, Caspadillo. First rebel down. First rebound.
Catelo dribbling the ball. Ibibigay kay Alvarez ang bola. Alvarez. Alvarez. Here's number 2. May steal dito. Nebiosa ang bola. Number 12 again. Caspadillo. Pangalawang foul na yun. Ball possession to LBDL. Arguelles for the inbound. Pass to Catelo. Dribbling the ball. Catelo. Pass to Arguelles. Traveling violation. Coronado. Pass to number 2. Bibigay kay Palaruan ng bola. Palaruan. Back to number 2. To Coronado. To Manabat. To Pulutan. Back to Manabat. Pull up for 2. No basket. Rebound by Biosa. Pass to Obido. Back to Catelo. Bibigay kay Alvarez. Alvarez. To Obido for 2. No good. But there's Biosa. Biosa for 2. No basket again. May steal dito. Obido. Out of bounds. Coronado may hawak ng bola. Coronado. Pass to Pulutan. Back to Coronado. Maiipit sa gilid. Steal by Sanchez. Lay up. Easy 2 points by number 30. Swase. Sumagi, umihawak ng bola. Pass to Manabat. Manabat for 2. No basket. Manabat again. 2 points by Manabat. Ang ating score, 9-7 in favor of LBDL. Again, number 9, Sumagi for the easy basket. At timeout para sa kupunan ng LBDL. At magbabalik ang San Pablo City Basketball League.
Hirap at pagkatalo ay kasama sa ensayo. Aminado, kahinaan di tinago, niyakap ang pagbabago, nakinig sa mga payo. At dahil dyan ay lalo pang gumagaling sa hilig, nagiging marespeto, malakas puso at isip. Handa nang lagpasan yung mga dati ko na limit. Kung trip mo din mag-ibig, tara sa Velvet D-League. Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako, tumitres, tumilay off nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paligan na
And we are back to our ball game. We have 1 minute and 40 seconds time remaining dito sa ating first quarter. Catelo may hawak ng bola. Pass to Obido. Babalik dito kay Catelo. To Sanchez pero mai-steal. Coronado. Pass to number 2, Salazar. No basket. But foul by number 30.
First personal foul. Third team foul.
Two throws by Salazar. First throw. No basket. Second free throw, no basket again. Biosa secured the ball. Catelo to Obido for 2. Basket. Easy 2 points. Salazar, long pass. Pero makakukuha ni Alvarez ang bola. Ibibigay kay Obido. Salazar steal the ball. Bibigay kay Sumagiw. Sumagiw for 2. No basket. Rebound by Obido. Obido nagmamadali. And here's Arguelles. No basket. Same ball possession. At mai-steal na Manabat. Pero makukuha ni Arguelles ang bola. Obido for the easy 2 points. Salazar to Sumagiw. Last 25 seconds. Coronado to Salazar for 3. No basket. Makakuha ulit ni Coronado. Coronado sidestep for 2. No basket. And there's Alvarez. Alvarez for 2. 2 points by Alvarez. Last 1 seconds. And this is the score of our first quarter. 15-9 in favor of LBDL. And this is the end of our first quarter of the game.
Ito ang liga. Ito ang liga. Ito ang liga. Ito ang liga. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ito ang liga. Ito ang liga.
Lapitan for the pass pero hindi makakukuha dito. Long pass. Out of bounds.
Last 3 guys.
Traveling violation by Lapitan. Salazar to Coronado. Back to Salazar. Ibibigay kay Manabat for 2. No basket but fouled by number 22 Epleo.
Foul by just number 22. First personal foul. First team foul.
Manabat first throw, no basket. Second free throw. No basket again. Occidental.
There's a foul.
And Occidental fouled by number 23, Manabat.
First personal foul.
Esparaguera for the inbound.
Foul.
Pass to Occidental. Occidental dribbling the ball to Gekolea. Out of bounds. Ball possession to Lucas Basketball. And there's Salazar. Pass to Poblete. Poblete dribbling the ball. Mabibitawan ba? Still by Lapitan. Lapitan nagmamadali. Lapitan for the layup. No basket but fouled by number 27.
20 seconds. Of 11. First personal foul. Second team foul.
Lapitan on the free throw line for 2 shots. First throw. Basket. Second free throw, no basket. Makakakuha dito si Gekolea. Gekolea. Traveling violation ang itatawag. Lucas for the ball possession, palaruan. Pass to Sumageo, traveling violation. And there's Occidental for 3, no basket. Makakuha ni Esparguera to Gekolea, to Lapitan, to Empleo. Empleo, mauubusan ng oras. 24 shot clock violation. Sumageo to Poblete. Poblete, spin. Pass to palaruan to Sumageo. Traveling na naman ata. Traveling nga. Another traveling violation. We have 7 minutes and 45 seconds on this second quarter. Ang ating score, 16-9 in favor of LBDL. Occidental may hawak ng bola. Pass to Gekolea. Gekolea, full of for 2. No basket. Gaspay for the rebound. Pero mukhang maiistilan pa, Gekolea. to Occidental. An Occidental fouled by Sumageo.
First personal foul. Third team foul.
First throw, no basket. There's the second free throw. No basket. Rebound by Gaspay. At mukhang mabibitawan ng play, oh. Tulapitan. Foul na naman. At si Sumageo na naman ang makakakuha doon ng foul. Another foul by Sumageo. Ito, libre-libre. Pero hindi niya nakukuhanin ng bola.
Out of bounds. 2-1. Number 7.
Jers, Bangunan. Pass to Palaruan. Back to Bangunan. To Poblete. Istilan. Lapitan. Pass to Esparraguera. To Gecolea, pero Bangunan makakakuha ng bola. Pass to Palaruan. Dribbling the ball. Palaruan. To Caspadillo. Block by Occidental. See, 15 seconds on the shot clock. Bangunan. Pass to Palaruan. To number 27, Poblete for 3. No basket. Ang makakakuha dito si Occidental. Occidental fouled by number 21. At penalty na dito ang kupunan. Penalty na dito ang kupunan ng Lucas Basketball. Here's Occidental. For the first free throw, no basket. Second free throw, basket. We have 6 minutes and 25 seconds. Still na naman in play to Occidental. To Gecolea for the alley-oop pero hindi papasok. Palaruan may hawak ng bola. Ball fight between Occidental and Palaruan. Ball possession to Lucas Basketball. There's Gaspay. Fouled by number 9, Lapitan. Cornado. Pero makakakuha dito si Esparraguera. Gecolea for the inbound. Pass to Occidental. Dribbling the ball. Coronado for the inbound. May steal dito ni Gekolea. Out of bounds. Ball possession. Dito sa Lucas Basketball. Coronado again for the inbound. Pass to Bangunan. Back to Coronado. Traveling violation. Gekolea. To Esparraguera. May steal ni Manabat ang bola. Manabat. To Bangunan. To Caspadillo for the layup. No basket. Rebound by Empleo. To Esparraguera. To number 11, Gekolea. To Lantican. Pass to Occidental. No basket. Caspadillo for the long pass to number 29, Suase. Matatapikan dito ni Esparraguera palabas. Ball possession to Lucas Basketball. Bangunan for the inbound. Pass to Coronado. To Suase for 2. No good. Rebound by Empleo. May steal ni Suase ang pasa. To Coronado. To Caspadillo. Back to Coronado. Here's Coronado. To Suase. Suase for 2. No basket. Rebound by Empleo. Ibibigay kay Lantican. Long pass to Gekolea. Libre-libre. Basket count. Nice pass by Lantican. At Gekolea. May chance sa maka 3-point play on the free throw line. Ang ating score dito, 18-9 in favor of LBDL. Caspadillo, no basket. Here's Salazar. Suase makakakuha. Suase for 2. No basket. Here's Legaspi. Pass to Atanasio. To Candelario. Gekolea for 2. No basket. Rebound by number 23, Alvarez. Basket. Ang ating score, 29 in favor of LBDL. Suase. Pass to Manabat. To Suase. May steal ni Gekolea ang bola. Pass to Legaspi. Legaspi for the left-handed. Easy 2 points. Salazar. To Suase. To Coronado. To Manabat. Manabat to Coronado for 3. No basket. Last touch by Caspadillo. Ball possession to LBDL. We have 3 minutes and 28 seconds on the second quarter. Here's Procto for the inbound. Pass to Candelario. Candelario to Alvarez. Alvarez for 2. No basket. Alvarez again. 2 points by Alvarez. Sumagio to Gaspay. To Salazar for 2. No good. Alvarez secured the rebound. Pass to Candelario. Candelario to Legaspi. Legaspi to Procto. To Candelario. At napapik pa, natawagan tuloy ng traveling violation. Here's Sumagio. Pass to Salazar. To Coronado. Coronado, atake sa gilid. Basket. 2 points by Coronado. Candelario, pass to Alvarez. Alvarez for the layup. Basket. 2 points by Alvarez. Salazar, dribbling the ball. Madudulas. Mai-stealan pa. Steal by Legaspi. Legaspi for the left-handed. No good. Procto for 2. Basket. 2 points by Procto. Timeout. Injury timeout muna tayo at magbabalik ang San Pablo City Basketball League.
Parang depensa lang. Pag alam mo kaya mo, huwag kamay lang. Bigay lahat na makakaya, oras ay bilang. Pasa mo sa libre, tira 3, foul, basket bang. All eyes on you pag nasa court, kaya give your best. Teamwork at coordination, gumawa na set. Tiwala lang sa team, wala dapat mainis. Focus lang sa goal para sure win, effortless. Pag di mo na kaya, pasab ka lang sa kakampi. Hindi mo kailangan pilitin yung sarili. Upo ka muna, huminga, pahinga lang sandali. Pag kaya mo na magsabi ka lang, gera na uli.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako,
Here, back to our ball game. Sumagi may hawak ng bola. Still by Atanasio. Candelario to Legaspi. Ito na naman, kaliwa. Easy 2 points. Out of bounds. At mapapatapak doon si Coronado sa guhit. Ball possession to LBDL. We have 1 minute and 38 seconds.
14 seconds to go. Candelario.
Here's Candelario to number 27. Backcourt violation.
Seconds to go.
14 seconds on the shot clock. Here's Sumagio to Suase. Pass to Coronado for 3. No good. Rebound by Suase. Si Nunez pala yun. Number 39. Sorry. Number 39, Nunez. Candelario dribbling the ball. Pass to Legaspi for 3. No basket. Out of bounds. Ball possession to Lucas Basketball. We have 58 seconds. Here's Sumagio. Pass to Coronado. Back to Sumagio. To Gaspay. Gaspay. No basket, but fouled by number 27, Lontok. Gaspay on the free throw line. First throw, basket. Ang ating score dito, 31-12 in favor of LBDL. Second free throw, basket again. 13-point lead para sa koponan. 17-point lead pala. Here's Alvarez. Hindi makukuha, niluntok ang bola. Out of bounds, ball possession to Lucas Basketball. Matatapik dito ni Alvarez ang bola. Save ball possession. Here's Nunez for the inbound. Pass to Coronado. Coronado. Maiipit dito sa gilid. Legaspi makakakuha ng bola. Last 7 seconds. Legaspi for the layup. No basket. But fouled by number 39, Nunez. At meron pa natitira 5 segundo dito sa ating second quarter.
79, Nunez. First personal foul penalty. 5 players to the win dot.
Legaspi, first throw, basket. Second free throw, basket again. No basket pala. Gaspay. Tumanabat pero mauubos na ang oras dito sa ating second quarter. Ang ating score, 32-13 in favor of LBDL. 19-point lead para sa koponan ng LBDL. At dito nagtatapos ang ating second quarter of the game.
Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga.
We are still live and you're still tuning at this game between Lucas basketball team and LBDL. This is Shara reporting on the court side of Lucas basketball team. Our official halftime score is 13-32 in favor of the LBDL. Lucas basketball team players were trying to have an effective strategy lalo na sa kung paano maka-counter ang depensa ang binibigay ng kabilang koponan without neglecting ang depensa ang kailangan din nila i-build para naman mapigilan ang opensa ng kabilang koponan. Ang bilis sa pagtakbo at kilos inside the court ang kailangan i-workout ngayon ng Lucas players para masabayan ang play na ginagawa ng kabilang koponan nang sa gayon sila naman na magkaroon ng kalamangan. And as you can see or as we can see, Lucas basketball team have different set of players for this season and now they are building the chemistry inside the court. Makuha kaya ng Lucas basketball team ang panalo or ang victory in this game? Yan ang abangan natin sa second half ng larong ito. Kaya tutok lang sa ating Facebook live stream, and with that, abangan naman natin kung ano ang update sa kabilang koponan. Diana.
Thank you, Shara. Unang laro pa lang sa ngayong araw, pero nakikita naman natin na maganda na agad ang pinapakita ng mga batang ito, no? Ang aga-aga, pero yung energy nila ay nandun at yung giggle para makuha yung pagkapanalo ngayong araw. Mindful defense, smart offense, yan ang ipinapakita ng LBDL on their second game. This game is of a challenge for LBDL, but dahil LBDL yan, we know that they are always ready to take on the challenge. They are executing once again. Their strong defense dominate this game. Strong but terrible Legaspi is securing a lot of points for the team. Hindi naman nagpapahuli. Sina Procto, Candelario at Alvarez at maging si Gecolea sa depensa, opensa, pagdadala ng bola para makasecure ng points against their opponent. Ilan to sa mga manlalaro na aabangan natin sa ating second half. Makuha kaya ng LBDL ang kanilang pangalawang pagkapanalo ngayong araw o makuha naman ito ng Lucas Basketball as their first win. Hindi natin alam makakalabasan ng second half, kaya magtutok lang at abangan natin ang mga pangyayari. Tutok lang sa ating Facebook page for more updates. And with that, back to the ball game.
And we are back dito sa ating third quarter of the game. Ball possession to LBDL. Arguelles for the inbound. Pass to Obido. Back to Obido. Obido to Arguelles. Nice pass. Kaso mabablock dito ni Gaspay. Here's Casbadillo. Pass to Sumageo. Sumageo dribbling the ball. Pass to Palaruan. Back to Sumageo. Traveling violation. By number 9, Sumageo. Obido. Candelario may hawak ng bola. Candelario. To number 27, Lontok. No basket. Still by Obido. Pass to Candelario. Candelario for 2. No basket. Number 27, Poblete to Palaruan. Dribbling the ball. Palaruan. Spin. Back for 2. No basket. Fouled by number 4, Atanasio.
Foul, jersey number 4, Atanasio. First personal foul, personal foul.
Palaruan on the free throw line para sa kanyang 2 shots. First throw, basket. Second free throw, basket again, complete 2. Candelario dribbling the ball. Screen by Atanasio, pass to Obido, back to Candelario. Pass to Lontok, Lontok for 2, no good. Casbadillo makakakuha ng bola, pass to Sumageo. Sumageo dribbling the ball. Still by Obido. And there's Obido for the left-handed basket. Libre doon. Easy basket. By number 30. Palaruan. Pass to Poblete. Poblete. Aatake. Ipapasa kay Gaspay. May steal dito ni Arguelles. To Obido. To number 7 Candelario. No basket. Casbadillo secured the rebound. Ball fight between Casbadillo and Arguelles.
Unfortunately, foul, jersey number 12.
Number 12, Casbadillo matatawagan ng unsportsman foul. At 3 minutes out dito si Casbadillo. There's Arguelles on the free throw line. First throw, no basket. Second free throw, no basket again.
Official score is just 1 between favor of India. 14 seconds to go.
Candelario received the ball. Pass to Obido. Obido to Arguelles. Arguelles Candelario. May still Coronado. Coronado to Palaruan for the layup. Basket count. And fouled by number 7, Candelario.
Jersey number 30, second personal foul. Second to foul.
Thank you, Nay. Candelario fouled by number 27, Poblete.
Jersey number 27, Poblete. Poblete, second personal foul. Second foul.
Obido for the inbound. Pass to Candelario. Back to Obido. Traveling violation. Palaruan for the inbound. Pass to Poblete. Back to Palaruan. Dribbling the ball. Naghahanap na mapapasahan. Palaruan. Pass to Poblete. To Coronado. Libre-libre dun sa gilid. Easy basket. Ang ating score, 34-19. In favor of LBDL. Here's Arguelles. Para sa maagang pagbawi. Coronado. Pass to Palaruan. Palaruan. Tinatrap ng tatlo. Pass to Coronado. Coronado, pull up. Number 6, Coronado, matatawagan ng offensive foul. Candelario dribbling the ball. Pass to Arguelles. Arguelles for 2. No basket. Pero makukuha ng kanyang kakampi. Urs Biosa. No basket. Arguelles to Obido. Back to Arguelles. No basket but fouled by number 22, Gaspay. At warning for penalty na dito ang kupunan ng Lucas. Arguelles first throw basket. Second free throw, no basket, pero sila pa rin makakakuha. Arguelles to Candelario for 3. No basket. Coronado secured the ball. Pass to Palaruan. Palaruan, tinatrap dito ng tatlo. Pass to Coronado. Coronado to Manabat. To Coronado for 2. No basket. Manabat secured the rebound, pero maiistilan dito ni Obido. Obido to Arguelles for the left-handed basket. 2 points by Arguelles. Poblete, pass to Palaruan. At Palaruan na naman dito, tinatrap. Coronado to Manabat. Manabat for 2, basket. 2 points by Manabat. 39-22 ang ating score. And Fructo fouled by number 23, Manabat. At penalty na dito ang kupunan ng Lucas. Fructo. First throw basket.
Sabol.
Good ball possession.
Lukas ball. Lukas. Andre Cavite.
Ball possession to Lucas Basketball. We have 5 minutes and 25 seconds. Palaruan ulit, may hawak ng bola. Out of bounds. Same ball possession. Palaruan. Pass to Nunez. Back to Palaruan. Here's Palaruan for 3. No basket. Rebound by Gecko Lea. Long pass to number 30, Ubido. 2 points. 42-23 ang ating score. At 21-point lead para sa kupunan ng LBDL. Palaruan. Pass to Nunez. Nunez mabibitawan ng bola. Candelario to Gecko Lea for the layup. No basket. Rebound by Atanasio. At siya na din ang titira doon. Easy 2 points. Timeout para sa kupunan ng Lucas Basketball at magbabalik sa San Pablo City Basketball League.
Respeto, malakas puso at isip. Handa nang lagpasan yung mga dati ko na limit. Kung trip mo din mag-ibig, tara sa Velvet D-League.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang-hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet D-League, basketball, liga, 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 liga. 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 Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka
And we are back to our ball game. At ito na, pinasok na ulit dito si Salazar. Salazar, dribbling the ball. Pass to Nunez. Nunez, mai-steal na naman. Gecko Lea to Obido, basket. Another 2 points na naman by Obido. At ito na naman, mukhang mai-steal pero makakukuha pa rin ni Salazar. Number 39, Nunez, matatawagan dito ng offensive foul. Candelario, pass to Ubido. Napakagandang pasa nun. Kaso hindi papasok. Gaspay. To Nunez, to Palaruan. Ibibigay kay Salazar ang bola. Back to Palaruan. Still by number 26, Procto for the layup. No basket. But here's Ubido to Gecko Lea. Nice pass by Ubido. At easy 2 points para kay number 11, Gecko Lea. Palaruan may hawak ng bola. Palaruan to Casbadillo for 3. No basket. Save by Nunez to Gaspay. 2 points by Gaspay. Candelario. Fouled by number 39. At number 39, Nunez, matatawagan dito ng unsportsman foul. At for 3 minutes. At penalty na dito ang kupunan ng Lucas. Candelario, first throw, no basket. Second free throw, wala pa din. We have 3 minutes and 13 seconds. Candelario dribbling the ball for the layup. No basket. Gaspay. To palaruan. Fouled by number 11, Gekolea.
Number 11. Gigalea. First personal foul.
At shout out po sa lahat ng ating viewers ngayong umaga. Isang magandang umaga sa inyo. At nais ko lamang i-mention, no, i-shoutout ang ating special partnership with Wilson Basketball Philippines, sponsored by Cafe Amarillo. Cafe Amarillo, Lucas Barbers, Dutch Delight, Blue Steel, City Councilor Juan Cormela Acevedo with the Acevedo Optical, JEJ Autocare Services, Tina's Takoyaki at kay Mr. Chairman Robin Arbaha. And this Velvet D-League San Pablo League is powered by Velvet Media Incorporated by Mr. JJ Magirang. At shoutout din pala sa again, shoutout din pala sa LBDL team owner na si Boss Glenn Chavez, LBDL coaches. Shoutout sa inyo at kay Chairwoman Marcel Beles of JYBC or Jeddah Youth Ballers Club. Shoutout po sa inyo, Chairwoman. And also shoutout sa mga coaches and parents ng Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Isang magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. At shoutout sa ating boss ng production na si Mr. JJ Maghirang. And advance happy birthday po. And we are back to our ball game. Gaspay on the free throw line. For the first throw, no basket. We have 2 minutes and 18 seconds at ang ating score, 27-48. 21-point lead para sa kupunan ng LBDL. Here's number 26, Procto for the long pass to Arguelles. Arguelles for 2, no good. Gaspay secured the rebound. Pass to Coronado. Coronado to Salazar. Salazar for 2. No basket, but fouled by number 26, Procto. Salazar on the free throw line. For his 2 shots, first throw by Salazar, no basket. Second free throw, basket. Alvarez ipapasa dito kay Occidental pero hindi makikita. Out of bounds. At may last touch pa pala doon. Same ball possession. Legaspi. Pass to Alvarez for long 2. No good. Rebound by Caspadillo. Pass to Sumageo. Back to Caspadillo. Makukuha ni Alvarez ang pasa. Legaspi for 2. No basket. Arguelles for 2. 2 points by Arguelles. Last 1 minute and 20 seconds. Salazar dribbling the ball. Pass to Caspadillo to Gaspay for 2. Basket. 50-30 ang ating score. Legaspi to Alvarez. Alvarez aatake, layup, wala pa din. Gaspay secure the ball. At matatapik ni Legaspi ang bola palabas. Same ball possession. Last 51 seconds. Sumagi for the inbound. Pass to Casbadillo for 3. No basket. Last touch by Procto. Same ball possession. Coronado for 3. No basket. Procto for the rebound. Nagmamadali. Pass to Arguelles for 2. Basket. Easy 2 points by Arguelles. Salazar to Casbadillo to Coronado to Gaspay. Gaspay for 2. Basket. At nagpapalitan lang ng score dito. Ang kupunan, ang magkabilang kupunan. Here's Procto, no basket. Gaspay again, secure the ball. Pass to Sumagi, last 8 seconds. To Salazar, pero mabibitawan. Arguelles nagmamadali for the layup. Basket. At buzzer beater pa. Pero matatawagan nata dito ng technical. Si number 15.
Jersey number 15, Arguelles. Technical, 4.3.
Number 15, Arguelles, matatawagan dito ng technical. And there's our score on this third quarter, 32-54 in favor of LBDL. At dito nagtatapos ang ating third quarter of the game.
Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga.
And we are back dito sa ating fourth and final quarter of the game. LBDL, or the Spanish Basketball Development League versus Lucas Basketball. And this is the final quarter. Catelo for the inbound. Pass. Esparraguera. Bibigay kay Legaspi ang bola. To Alvarez. Alvarez for the layup. No basket. Casbadillo secured the ball. Pass to Sumagio. To Poblete. Mabibitawan ng bola. Sorry. To Briones pala. Legaspi. Sidestep. At makakakuha ng foul dito kay number 12. Legaspi on the free throw line. Ang ating score, 54-33. Second free throw. Basket. Still by number 16, Sparagera. Same ball possession dahil matatapik ni Salazar ang bola palabas. Catelo for the inbound. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Legaspi to Alvarez. Masusundot na naman dito ni Salazar. Same ball possession again. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Esparraguera for 3. 3 points by Esparraguera. Out of bounds. Back to LBDL. Ball possession. 58-33 ang ating score. Again, shout out sa ating mga special partnership with Wilson Basketball Philippines. Sponsored by Cafe Amarillo, Lucas Barbers, Dutch Delight, Blue Steel, City Councilor Hon Carmela Acevedo with Acevedo Optical, JEJ Autocare Services, Tina's Takoyaki, at kay Mr. Chairman Robin Narvaja. And this Velvet D-League San Pablo League is powered by Velvet Media Incorporated by Mr. JJ Magirang. At number 23, Alvarez, fouled by number 23 din, Manabat. First free throw basket. Second free throw, no basket. Pero sila pa rin makakakuha, Lantican. Pass to Legaspi. Legaspi to Esparraguera. For 3, no basket. Catelo ibibigay dito kay Alvarez. Alvarez for the easy 2 points. Salazar. Still by Lantican. Here's Lantican. Nagmamadali. Lantican for 2, no basket. Pero Legaspi makakakuha ng bola. Legaspi to Alvarez for 3. No good. Out of bounds. Ball possession to Lucas. Salazar dribbling the ball. Pass to Briones. No basket. Catelo may hawak ng bola. Legaspi to Esparraguera. Maiistilan dito ni Salazar. Salazar nagmamadali. Salazar for 2, no basket. Catelo to Legaspi. Legaspi may hawak ng bola. Legaspi. Lulusot. Munti ka na. Number 7. Lianes, traveling violation. Catelo to Alvarez. Alvarez for 3, no basket. Manabat, secure the ball. Naghahanap ng mapapasahan. Pass to Pulutan. To Geronimo. 8 seconds violation. We have 7 minutes and 1 seconds dito sa ating fourth and final quarter. Catelo to Legaspi. Screen by Lantican. Legaspi. Pero makukuha pa rin dito ni Lantican ng bola. Here's Lantican, nagmamadali. At mauubusan sila dito ng oras. 24 shot clock violation. Geronimo. Still by Empleo. Empleo to Obido for 2. Basket. Geronimo dribbling the ball. Ang ating score dito 63-34. Manabat may hawak ng bola. Manabat for 2. No basket. Lantican makakakuha ng bola. Pass to Obido. Obido again. No basket. Out of bounds. Manabat. Pass to Geronimo. Geronimo maiistilan dito. Legaspi may hawak. Legaspi blocked by Manabat. At timeout para sa kupunan ng LBDL at magbabalik ang San Pablo City Basketball League.
Crossover na parang Iverson gumana. Iwanang babantay sa'yo, fake sabay rekta. Quick release ang banat parang sa Perry tumira. Wag nga lang pakumpiyansa sa laro, bilog ang bola. Manalo sa laban, yan din gusto nilang makuha. Ipasa ang bola kapag hindi mo na kaya. Buong loob kang magtiwala sa iyong mga kasama. Iwasan ng turnover, tanggalin ang iyong kaba. Natural lang na ma-pressure pag dinouble team ka na. Sa mga play na ginawa ni coach, tayo ay mag-focus na lang mga kalaban. Na parang na modus, ito ay nalang dikdikan to. Coast to coast, kapag gumana to, champion tayo, tayo ang magto-toast.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na mag-hoops ang lupit, smooth as smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet lilig, basketball, liga.
We are back to our ball game. 3 seconds violation. Geronimo, pass to Pulutan. Pulutan to Geronimo, to Manabat. Manabat to Pulutan for 2, no basket. Manabat for the rebound. At siya na rin natitira, 2 points by Manabat. We have 5 minutes and 20 seconds. Legaspi, pass to Obido. Catelo to Legaspi. To Lantican, pick. Lantican for 2. No good. Traveling violation by number 22, Empleo. Obido. Fouled by number Catelo, fouled by number 16 Pulutan. Four minutes and 36 seconds. Catelo, pass to Obido. Obido, ibibigay sana dito kay Lantican pero makukuha dito ni Pulutan ng bola. Geronimo may dala ng bola. Geronimo, pass to Pulutan. Pulutan, fouled by number 19, Legaspi. This is the fourth and final quarter. Ang ating score 63-38. At meron pa tayo natitirang 4 na minuto at 23 segundo dito sa ating final quarter. At abangan nyo ang ating next game Pinsanity versus SCBA Project. At shoutout again sa ating viewers dito sa San Pablo City Basketball page. Obido may hawak ng bola. Wrong pass. Swase makakakuha. Swase pass to Jeronimo. Jeronimo dribbling the ball. Naghahanap na mapapasahan din ng double team. Traveling violation. Ball possession to LBDL. Procto for two. Basket. At medyo chill-chill na lang dito ang kupunan ng LBDL. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Steal na naman. Number 19, Legaspi for the left-handed. Easy basket. 67-65. Jeronimo again, magdala ng bola. Steal na naman by number 7. Candelario to Legaspi to Procto for two. No basket. Swase secured the rebound. Pass to Jeronimo. Jeronimo for the long pass pero makakukuha ni Atanasio ang bola. And there's Atanasio for the layup. Back-to-back points para sa LBDL. 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Again, shout out sa LBDL team owner na si Boss Glenn Chavez, to LBDL coaches. Shout out po sa inyo at kay Chairwoman Marcel Belas of JYBC or Jeddah Youth Ballers Club. Shout out din sa mga coaches and also parents ng Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. And the Velvet D-League would like to thank our following sponsors: Blue Steels Enterprise, JEJ Otker, City Councilor Honorable Carmela Acevedo, at sa Lucas Barbers. Also to the Tina's Takoyaki, and special thanks to Wilson Basketball Philippines, to our official basketball partnership. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. At syempre, sa buong production ng Velvet Media at sa ating boss na si JJ Maghirang, maraming salamat po. At advance happy birthday po. And we are back to our ball game. Last 1 minute and 40 seconds to this final quarter. Last 15 seconds on the shot clock. Ball possession to Lucas Basketball. Long pass to Briones. Backcourt violation. At timeout para sa kupunan ng Los Baños Development League or LBDL. At magbabalik ang San Pablo City Basketball League.
Come on, bounce the ball, ikat sumabay. Bibihirang sumablay kahit sumakay. Mga maniti na ngay street ballin', determinado sa laro, we can never fallen. Kapag lumaya parang agila, lakas ng stamina.
Back to the ball game. Remaining time 1 minute and 36 seconds.
And we are back to our ball game. Our time remaining 1 minute and 36 seconds to this final quarter. 75-38. Procto, no good. And there's Atanasio. Again. Easy 2 points. Jeronimo dribbling the ball. Last 1 minute and 10 seconds. Still by number 19, Legaspi. Legaspi for the left-handed. Basket count. And fouled by number 75, Jeronimo. Legaspi para sa kanyang 3-point play on the free throw line. Legaspi for his 3-point play. No basket. Geronimo makakakuha ng bola. Last 1 minute. Pulutan may hawak ng bola. Pass to Briones. Briones for 2. Basket. 2 points by Briones. Legaspi dribbling the ball. Long pass to Cordero. Cordero for 2. No basket. Lianes makakakuha. Ibibigay kay Briones. Suase to Geronimo. Geronimo for 3. No basket. Procto. May hawak ng bola. Long pass to Legaspi. To Cordero. For 2. No good. Again. Wala pa din. Out of bounds. Lucas basketball ball possession. Last 16 seconds. Briones. Still by number 30 Obido. Pass to Cordero. Last 2 seconds. And this is the final score of our fourth and final quarter. 40-79 in favor of LBDL. 39-point lead para sa kanilang pagkapanalo at dito nagtatapos ang ating fourth and final quarter of the game.
Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin.
Ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Huwag kang matakot na ito ay harapin. Dahil ang tunay na bida dito ay ikaw pa rin. Ilabas mo ang natatangi mo na galing. Ito ang Velvet Delete. Maghahatid sa'yo sa daan na matuwid. Kaya halina, ipasa na ang bola. At bago mo itira, dapat ay kumpiyansa. Ito'y makakatulong sa pisikal at mentalidad, lalo sa mga kabataang may abilidad. Layunin ng Velvet Delete ay makapagbigay ng magandang halimbawa sa komunidad at mga bata.
Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin.
And that ends the first game for today with a score of 40-79. LBDL once again dominated our court. Ayan nga, kasama ko ngayon ang best player of the game. Jersey number 13, none other than Obido. Ayan, jersey number 30, Obido had 16 points, 4 rebounds and 3 assists. Talaga namang maraming nag-excel sa grupo at kitang-kita din namin kung gaano kaganda yung nagiging pasahan nyo ng bola, pag-rebound at of course pag-steal at pag-depensa sa bola. Gusto ko lang malaman na Obido, ano yung strategy na ginawa ng team nyo ngayong play?
Ginawa lang po namin yung mga tinuturo po sa amin ni coach sa training. In-apply lang po namin sa laro tapos pinagano po namin sila, pinagsama-sama po para po makagawa po kami ng magandang play.
Ayan, syempre kita rin namin yung determinasyon mo na lumaro. Ano yung nagiging inspirasyon mo sa paglalaro?
Sa pamilya ko po.
Ayan, pamilya, ayan. Para sa pamilya. Ayan. And of course, baka meron kang gustong i-shout out or batiin sa ating live.
Shoutout sa girlfriend ko po, Dan.
Shoutout daw po sa girlfriend ni jersey number 30, Obido. At syempre, hindi pwedeng matapos ang ating laro na hindi namin na-acknowledge at nabibigay din sa'yo ang isang token of appreciation din. At of course, as a award din for being the best player of today's game, we have a gift voucher from Lucas Barber that you can use if ever that you want to have a fresh cut on your next game. And with that, once again, congratulations LBDL and of course, jersey number 30 Obido. Abangan naman natin ang magiging mainit na laban sa pagitan ng pagbabalik ng SCBA Elite versus Pinsanity. Kaya tutok lamang dito sa ating Facebook page for more updates.
Nagaling, ito ang Velvet Deli, maghahatid sa'yo sa daan na matuwid. Kaya halina, ipasa na ang bola at bago mo itira, dapat ay kumpiyansa. Ito'y makakatulong sa pisikal at mentalidad, lalo sa mga kabataang may abilidad. Layunin ng Velvet Deli ay makapagbigay ng magandang halimbawa sa komunidad at mga bata.
Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Huwag kang matakot na ito ay harapin, dahil ang tunay na bida dito ay ikaw pa rin. Ilabas mo ang natatangi mo na galing. Ito ang Velvet Deli, maghahatid sa'yo sa daan na matuwid. Kaya halina, ipasa na ang bola at bago mo itira, dapat ay kumpiyansa. Ito'y makakatulong sa pisikal at mentalidad, lalo